warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay. Yes, my screen is visible.
No, sir.
Okay, wait.
No, sir.
Okay, wait, beta.
Sir, myself, it's Manuel.
Walaikum assalam, beta.
So now they all students are joining too.
How are you, sir?
Walaikum assalam, walaikum assalam. How are you all, beta?
Alhamdulillah. Fine, alhamdulillah.
Okay. So my screen is not visible now. Okay, let me
No, sir, not visible.
check once again what happened. Now I think it's visible now. Huh?
No, sir.
No, sir, it is not visible. So now it is visible. Now it is visible.
Okay, that's very nice. Alhamdulillah. And
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Walaikum assalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Yes, beta. Today, what we are going to start?
Sir, chemistry.
That's
Chemistry,
nice.
chapter number
But in-
second.
Huh?
Chemistry.
So chapter number second, we were on this,
Sir, we were on 41
compounds.
page.
We were on compounds.
42 compounds.
Yes, sir. We were on compounds.
Okay, that's very nice.
We have done
mashallah.
atomicity. We have done,
Okay.
and that chat paper also we have done.
In
Nice.
our
And
class,
this compound.
we you explain what is atomicity and
Chapter 2. Okay. And
diatomic
Compound
page number 42.
42.
Is it clear, beta?
Yeah, page number 42.
Okay, okay,
Yes,
okay,
sir.
okay. Okay, first of all, listen to me carefully, everyone, and remember this thing. I need not to repeat all instructions again and again. Remember this thing. I am giving you some points on your behavior, on your performance. So this is valid throughout. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So
Okay,
beta,
sir.
okay.
Assalamualaikum. Can we start?
Okay, so first thing is that listen to me carefully. That first thing is compound.
Yes, sir.
Wait, beta, mute yourself.
What is compound?
Wait, mute yourself, beta. Beta, mute yourself. Otherwise, I put a security then. Compound. Okay, what is that? First thing is that first thing is this, two or more substance formed by, that is formed by substance.
Assalamualaikum, ma'am.
Listen to me carefully, mute yourself. By two or more elements when combined. More elements when they combine chemically. Okay. Second important that is in fixed proportion. Okay, beta. So this thing is very important. I am telling you, fixed proportion and combined chemically. Okay, for a compound, there should be more than two elements. Okay, and they should be combined chemically and fixed proportion. What is fixed proportion? Fixed proportion means means they always have the same number of parts of that thing. Okay, for example, water, always hydrogen will be 2 and oxygen will be 1. Always, wherever you go, you will find this type of proportion always. Okay, so this is called fixed proportion. It means fixed proportion. Okay. Okay. Examples are written here. Beta, listen carefully. I will ask the questions later and after the just 5-10 minutes. Walaikum Assalam. Walaikum Mashallah. Examples. Examples of compounds. Here it is written as.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Walaikum Assalam. Listen to me carefully. Examples are carbon dioxide, beta. Second example is nitrogen dioxide. Remember this thing, if you write only carbon, then carbon is not a compound. If you write only nitrogen, then nitrogen is not compound. Carbon dioxide, how it is made? It is made by C plus O2. Then it forms CO2, carbon dioxide. Okay. And similarly, calcium oxide, third one is calcium oxide, CaO. Okay, this is the formula. That's why I'm saying if you know the formula, if you know the symbols, then you will understand that CaO. What is Ca? It stands for calcium, O for oxygen. When they combine, they form CaO, calcium oxide. Okay. So another thing is that beta, zinc chloride are given here. Okay. So zinc chloride. Okay, these are all the examples of compound. Is it clear? So first thing I told about the definition of compound, what is that? Then I give the example of water and what do you mean by fixed proportion? After that, I'll give the examples of compounds. What are they? Okay, so remember this thing, beta. This is a very important thing that I am writing here. Most important. Okay, so I'm writing with this. That remember properties of compound is different from constituting element. Is it clear, beta? That it should be different. For example, I am giving you example also for you to understand that water does not support burning. For example, here it is written as water does not support burning. Okay, means water, you know that water is made up of hydrogen and oxygen. But what is the property of hydrogen and oxygen? Here it is written as oxygen supports burning. Everyone knows oxygen supports burning. Okay, and hydrogen burn itself readily. Itself readily. So, but water as a compound, when we combine these two elements, they form a compound called as water. And this water has a different properties from their constituent elements. Constituent element means from which it is made above. Okay, water does not support burning. Water, you know that when we spread water, it will burning will stop. But individually, if we separately spread water, if okay, if we separately spread oxygen, because water is made of hydrogen and oxygen. If we then oxygen supports burning, and if we spread hydrogen, then you know that hydrogen burn itself. But when we combine hydrogen and oxygen in a fixed ratio, they form a compound called as water. Okay, so it is property is different. Okay, one by one will answer me. Okay, remember this thing. You will lose your some of the points. Okay. Yes, beta. Understood everyone?
So can you please repeat?
Yes.
Beta, this
Code came. That's
Can you explain one more time? I'm not getting properly.
okay, okay. Listen. First of all, mute everyone. Then I'll ask you the what you understand. Okay, okay. You mute everyone. Okay. First of all, listen to me. Listen, you are losing your points. Then listen to me. First of all, lower your hands. Everyone, lower your hands. Everyone, lower your hands. Ab fast, quick. Two still remaining. Yes, Hannah. Okay, very good. Now tell me those who understand the things I told you right now. Raise your hand. Raise your hand only. Don't speak. Raise your
points I'm not getting.
raise your hands. Okay, Hannah. Yes. First of all, Hannah, you tell me what you are not able to understand. What which part? Only
Sir,
Hannah.
I'm not
Naba, Hannah. Okay, Hannah, you tell me first. What thing?
Sir, I'm not understanding that hydrogen heats itself. So why is hydrogen more
Hydrogen.
than oxygen?
Hydrogen burn itself, not heat. Okay.
Okay.
Hydrogen. I have written hydrogen burns itself. Okay, is it clear?
Okay, sir.
Your query is clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
Now lower your hand.
I have one more query.
Yes, continue, beta, na.
Sir, what
I have query. I'm not getting what you are explaining.
sir, can you
Beta,
please
you lowered.
explain
I'm
compounds again?
okay. I am. Listen to me.
Explain one more time.
Okay, listen carefully. Okay, I am say first of all, I start with compound, and in starting, I told you the definition of compound. That compound is made up of two or more elements, and how they are made by chemically. Okay, when we combine two or more elements chemically, then they form elements. Oh, sorry, they form compounds. Is it clear?
Sir, I have one query.
Wait.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Now I understood what are compounds.
Okay.
Sir?
Yes,
Sir,
beta.
I have one query.
I understood what is
What is the
compound.
meaning of
Listen. First, listen to me.
fixed
Listen to me, beta. Listen to me first. Okay, this thing about the definition of compound. Second example.
Sir, what is valency?
Beta, valency. Where it is written? Who is asking such question? Let me know the name first. Who is asking the valency?
Sir, I am Abdullah. Sir, Ahmed Ali Abdullah.
Ahmad Ali Abdullah.
Yes, sir.
Are you going beyond very fast? Are you become what happened to you? As I go to valency, I started valency. What happened? Okay, you will lose 2 points. Ahmad Ali.
Sir, I have one query. Can I ask?
Beta, okay, you can ask. First of all, this thing is clear about definition of compound.
Sir, you are not doing valency. I don't know. Sir, I don't know.
So, beta, how can you tell me about how can?
Under water compound.
So what is
Listen,
the meaning? Because you are saying that page, all are saying that page number 43, 43. So I
just
understood that.
now I said I'm told you what I am reading on the board. Beta, what is this? Just now I told you that what I am reading, that part you understood or not? Okay.
Sir,
okay,
I
wait.
not understood.
Okay,
Sir, what is the meaning of fixed proportion?
I am telling you right now. Just okay, I'm again telling you.
Okay, sir.
Fixed proportion, as I told earlier also, and that if hydrogen, water. This is water. Okay.
Yes,
Is it
sir.
clear? So in
Yes,
what
sir.
in this formula, hydrogen is how much hydrogen is there?
Sir, H2O is water.
And oxygen is
Oxygen
1.
1.
So wherever, listen to me,
Hydrogen.
wherever we go, okay, when from wherever we get the water, from river, from rain, from distilled, or from aquaguard, anything, from tap water, this will always remain the same. Means that hydrogen will always contain 2 parts and oxygen always contain 1 part. This is called fixed proportion. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, for
Means
example,
these.
another thing is
Understood.
nitrogen dioxide. Okay, so always nitrogen dioxide contains 2 parts of nitrogen and 1 part of oxygen. Okay, another thing is that I am giving some examples. It is written in the third paragraph. Carbon dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, calcium oxide, these were the examples of compounds. Now tell
Compound.
me, now till here,
Nitrogen are taking
Yes, sir. Here I have understood.
2 and 0.
nitrogen dioxide, beta, remember, if you say only nitrogen, then nitrogen is not a compound, it is an element. When you are saying nitrogen dioxide, then it will become a compound. Okay,
Okay, sir.
now another thing is that I told you that uh, properties of compound is different from constituent elements. Means that if uh, water is made up of what I say, uh, water does not support burning. You know that, beta, water is made up of hydrogen. Listen, you know that water is made up of hydrogen and oxygen, these 2
Yes,
parts.
sir.
Okay, so the property of hydrogen is different, the property of oxygen is different. Okay, when we combined chemically, when we combined, we got water. Okay, we got water, and property of water is different from these 2. Okay, proper water. Okay, so its property is different from the remaining.
Yes.
Is it clear,
Yes, sir.
everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Okay, yes, everyone. Okay, now some gases, page 42, second paragraph, on the right side. Okay, some gases with compounds, carbon dioxide is made of 1 atom of carbon and 2 atoms of oxygen. Okay, like that I give you the example of uh, like that I give you the examples of water. Okay, that is made up of H2O. Okay, now carbon dioxide, again its formula is CO2. It is made up of carbon and oxygen. Again, it is its property of carbon dioxide different from its constituent elements. Remember this thing. This is very important. Remember, I'm telling you again, beta. Remember, this is important. Property of compound is different from its constituent elements. Yeah, remember this thing, because remember this, when
Okay, sir.
if I give you this question, properties, tell me, is the properties of compound is same as with its constituent? So comment. So you say, you should write like this: no, the property of compound is different from its constituent elements. and you have to give the example also. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now we are
What?
what? Yes. What, someone is saying something?
Sir,
No, sir.
if we're chatting in the chat box and they are not stopping,
Sir,
man.
I'm telling to them to stop, but they're again and again typing.
Sir, please disable the chat.
Sir, remove. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, disable the chat.
Listen to me first. I will disable it later. First, let me complete this thing. Okay, wait.
Okay, sir.
Okay, okay. Listen to me first carefully. I will going
Okay,
to
sir.
ask the question. Okay, this is very important.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So now come to chemical formula of compound.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So the chemical formula of compound is representation of molecule of that compound. Okay. What is written here? Chemical formula
Chemical formula of compound
means
is
that
represent.
molecules representation. Molecules representation.
Representation.
Okay, beta.
How many? So means how many numbers are there? Numbers of atoms
How many
and
molecules?
elements
Yes.
present in the.
In that molecule, how many atoms are there? Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Clear.
Sir,
For example, example. Let's take the example of carbon dioxide. Okay. Example.
Of carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide. Okay. Formula is
CO.
CO2. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what does
There is.
this is formula?
So can I
So
tell?
wait.
So
What
there are
this,
two
beta,
carbon and one oxygen.
listen. Okay, that's right, but you have to write down like this. Carbon is one. Okay. What is one? One atom. Okay. And oxygen is what is how many oxygen are there?
Two. So two.
Two what? Two atoms. Okay, so remember this thing that in one molecule of carbon dioxide there is one carbon atom and there is two
And oxygen,
oxygen
two.
atoms.
Two atom.
Okay, so
Yes,
you
sir.
have to write like this. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
yes, sir, clear.
Mashallah, very good. So this you understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, inshallah I will give you
Yes,
some
sir.
worksheet later.
Please
Later I
ask the
will give
question
you very
regarding
good.
this.
Okay, later I will provide you formula, or I can say worksheet. You have to fill that blanks also. Okay, after the test you will first prepare for the test very well for mathematics. Okay.
Sir, physics test is also there.
No, beta. First, I'm saying that I'm not giving something to you because I have already given you assignment for prepare for maths test. Okay. Now don't discuss about maths. Just go for don't discuss about maths. Concentrate here. Okay. Now we are moved to valency, which is very important. What is valency? Okay, beta. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Very good, mashallah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir,
Valency.
can you just do one thing?
Yes, beta.
Sir, please disable the chat. We are writing that don't
Yes,
message
sir.
again and
So
again,
they are
and they are only
messaging very much.
messaging.
Who is writing? Who is
Sir.
writing? Adiba Karim.
so much.
Beta.
Rina, Rashid Ali, and so many.
Listen to me. Okay, if I see anyone, listen to me. If I see anyone, okay, writing, then I will reduce some of their points. Remember, Rashid Ali, you are disturbing the class.
Not disturbing. I'm saying do not disturb.
Beta, listen to me now, bus.
So
It's okay. It's okay. Okay. Listen to me first. Valency, very important thing.
yes, sir.
The very important word
Yes,
regarding,
sir.
listen, a very important word
Chemistry.
regarding valency is whenever this word comes, it means combining capacity. Remember this thing. Combining capacity.
Capacity.
Okay.
Sir, in that what we have to do?
Remember this thing only. Combining capacity of
Yes, sir.
an atom of an element means if something is compound is formed.
So
So
please give one example.
okay, I am giving you some example. See on page number 43. See
43.
page 43.
Okay, sir.
Okay, there is written divalent, trivalent. Okay, as we discussed in the previous class yesterday, monoatomic, diatomic, triatomic.
Yes,
Here
sir.
also,
Yes,
if
sir.
valency is 1, okay, if
Then it is
valency
monovalent.
is 1, so it is mono.
Then we will call monovalent.
Valent. Okay, very good. For 2,
And
di.
if there is two,
For 3,
divalent.
tri.
Divalent.
Okay,
Trivalent.
trivalent. Here, see it in table 2.6.
2.6.
Table 2.6.
2.6.
Okay, so here written as some elements: oxygen, magnesium, zinc. They all have valency of 2. Boron, aluminium, they have valency of 3, or we call as trivalent. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And there is four we will write
Remember this thing.
teravalent.
Remember this thing, for valency, there should be a whole number like 1, 2, 3, not like that 1.5.
So we have to write table of valency.
No, beta, you just go through it, and if the way of remembering the any table is to see it again and again. When you
Yes,
see
sir.
it on regular basis, it will automatically get learned by yourself. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I want to ask you one thing.
Yes, beta, please.
Sir, what is the Latin word for sodium?
Beta, the Latin word for sodium. It is written here, beta. Latin word for sodium. You can
Sir,
check
on page
it.
number 39. It's
Yes.
natrium.
Yes.
Sir, it's written on page number 39.
Yes, beta. It is there. You can see. Natrium. Okay, natrium, potassium, calcium, iron, ferrum, copper, cuprum. Okay. Remember, beta, try
Can
to remember.
explain the elements of variable valency. So there is 3, 5.
Okay, and there are 3, 5. Okay, for this I will discuss it. First, you concentrate on beta. Always remember, it is to all students. Whatever is going on, first concentrate on that, and be patient. The thing to understand, to learn anything is patient. What happens sometimes, they are trying to grasp the thing fast and try to move forward very fast, but in that the students forget the previous things. When I will come, inshallah,
Yes,
I
yes.
will tell you this also. Okay, this is very important. Good question asked by whom? Who asked this question?
Hamza.
Very
Hamza
good,
Baba.
Amsha. Very nice, beta. Very nice. This shows your curiosity level, how much you are interested. Okay, very good. So now driving chemical formula. This page, beta, you try to read twice or thrice this page, 42 and 43. This is very important. Now we are
Okay,
going.
sir.
Okay. Now we are going to drive chemical formula. Okay.
Sir, your voice is not clear.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
beta.
It is
Okay, listen to me. Deriving
chemical formula.
chemical formula. Okay. So in this,
There are 4 steps.
4 steps are given. 4 steps are given.
Yes, sir.
I am explaining you each. Okay, inshallah. These 4 steps are: write down the symbol of the element that makes up the compound. First step is
Write the symbols of the element. Let's
okay,
make up the compound.
symbols. It means that the table is very important. If you don't know the table,
Yes,
if you
sir.
don't know the symbols, then how can you able to write down the name of the compound or how you drive the formula? Okay. Second thing is that you should know the valency. Okay. The write down the valency of each element below their respective symbol. Means valency should be known. Okay. Is it clear? You should know the valency.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Third thing is that okay, valency, CY. Third, entertain the valencies and write them as subscript next to the symbol. Okay, means it will be interchange.
Means
I will tell you example first, later. Okay, valencies. Interchange the valencies. I will tell you how to write the. Just go through these steps first. Just understand these steps. Okay. And fourth one is very important is that
you have to write formula.
simplify the formula by dividing the valencies. Simplify by dividing valencies. Okay.
Divide the valency.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. See at the bottom of 43 table is there. Bottom of page 43 table is there. Okay. Step 1. Here it is written C and O. Write down the chemical symbol. Here we are driving. Here we are driving
Carbon.
carbon dioxide. Okay.
And O for oxygen.
Listen to me. We are driving symbol formula of CO2. So we write the how many first step carbon is element is there, and another element is oxygen. Okay.
Oxygen.
According to second step, write down the valencies.
How
Here
many sir elements are present? Atom.
no. First thing you write the element. Okay. First step is you write the element. Second step is that valencies. Okay, valencies are given. So valency of carbon is 4. It is written in the table. You see, you check it. It is given on the table.
Yes, sir.
4. And for oxygen, valency is
2.
2. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now,
2, sir.
we get the formula. We get this thing C or O4. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Simplify it.
Yes, sir.
1 times 2, 2 times 4. So C will be 4 and it will
It
be
is equal to 2.
okay. So listen this. We never write 1. It already understood that if nothing is written, then it is 1 is there. So in this way, CO2 is derived. Formula of CO2 is derived. I am telling this again. Okay, what we are doing. Yes, what happened, friends? I will ask you some questions. Wait, listen to me. First, we are driving CO2 according to first. Listen. According to first, we should write down the symbols of carbon dioxide. Just carbon for carbon, it is C. For oxygen,
Sir,
it is just O. Then after that,
sir, how So how you write 2?
I am telling you beta, wait, valency of carbon is valency of carbon is 4, it is
4.
given, and valency of oxygen is 2. Okay,
2.
so formula will become C4O, oh sorry, C2O4,
P4O2.
C4O2. Okay, is it clear?
P4O2.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
then interchange the valencies as it is written in step number 3. Okay,
So what is the meaning of interchange? Interchange.
it is one of the rule, interchange the valencies. Okay, so it will become this 2 comes this place, and
Yes, sir.
this 4 comes to this place. Okay, then we
So we
simplify
have to
it.
do reciprocal.
No, we are not reciprocal, we are just interchanging. Here, see here, it is 4, so this 4 comes to at O, and this 2 is comes to C. This is called
Okay, sir.
interchanging.
Now understood.
Okay, mashallah.
So we
Now-
do the opposite of the both.
Okay, when you simplify, we
Yes,
know
sir,
that 2 1 times 2 and 2 times is 4. So
Okay,
this
sir.
will become C1 and O2. I also told you we not write 1. It is also understood. So in this way, formula of CO2 is derived. Okay. Okay, is it clear? Everyone,
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Yes,
tell
sir.
me who is
No,
saying?
sir.
Nabha,
Nabha, please
yes, beta, please
explain
tell
it
me.
again.
Beta,
Explain it
just
again.
I explained it 2 times also. I am read. First of all, we write the symbols name of the
Okay.
element according to symbol. Okay. Then
Right, valency.
then
We
number
write
one,
the valency.
then valencies. Okay, that's why
And then-
table is important. You have to remember the valencies.
Okay, sir. Sir, after writing the valencies, what do we do?
We do interchange. Okay, valency
Yes, sir.
interchange means a valency of carbon
We
is
do
4.
opposite. We do opposite.
We do opposite.
Numbers of atoms.
Listen to me carefully. We know that valency of carbon is 4. Okay, and valency of oxygen is 2. When we interchange, so it will become C2 and it will become O4. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
And
Then after that we
Then-
simplify, as we are simplifying in mathematics. We are do
So
the
we
same.
take factor. We
See,
take
2
factor.
times 1. Okay, and 2 times 2 this will become this, and we never
Okay,
write
sir.
1 in the substrate, so it will become CO2.
CO2.
Is it clear,
Okay,
beta
sir.
Nabha?
Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good.
Actually, sir, I was writing notes. That's why I wanted to recall.
Okay. Very good, mashallah. This thing is very important that you understood. Okay, beta, everyone should understood, and you can anytime ask me. Okay,
We have to write notes.
beta, I'm told you yesterday also. Try to make your own notes in rough copy, and whenever I ask you to see to make me check or to submit me on my number, then you submit me. But you should have your
Some
notes.
note.
Try to make your notes, beta. That is important because in the upcoming classes you will have to make notes for good preparation.
Yes. Okay, sir.
Okay, whatever you understood in your language, try to write down that important point. Okay, beta.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so this thing is clear to you, beta.
So okay, sir. So we can
Yes,
write the
sir,
note from third chapter. So because half chapter is done,
What you are saying, I'm not. Please speak loudly.
I'm saying that sir we can write our notes from third chapter.
No,
So
no,
because half chapter is done.
no, it's up to you. This is your, when you are reading the things, just go through it and write down what you are reading. This is your notes. What is notes? What you
Yes,
are
sir.
reading,
Yes, sir.
what you are reading, what you understand from that paragraph, write it, that thing, that will become notes, and do it in your rough copy. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so because you are in the beginning,
We
you
have
have a lot.
to make our register for notes.
Beta, listen to me. It's about to over meeting. Okay, and read these pages. Only in homework, read these pages again. Okay, beta.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
And whatever
sir.
you understood, write it. In the beginning, you will have a lot of
Sir,
mistakes.
is it
And inshallah,
necessary